Hey everyone, today I will show you how to copy Instagram profile link. And here's how it is done. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device, ensuring you are connected to the internet. Tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. On your profile page, tap on Edit Profile to access your profile settings. In the profile settings, find your username. Press and hold your username until the option to copy appears. Tap it to copy your username to your clipboard. Create the profile URL. Open a web browser, example, Google Chrome. In the address bar, type instagram.com followed by your copied username. Example, instagram.com/ your username. Copy the profile link. Once the page loads, press and hold the URL in the address bar. Select copy from the menu to copy the full profile link to your clipboard. Share your link. You have successfully copied your Instagram profile link. You can now share this link for quick access to your profile. Troubleshooting. Slow loading or errors. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. If needed, paste the copied link into the browser again once the connection stabilizes. That is everything you need to know about how to copy Instagram profile link. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.